Invideo AI turns text into video in minutes. Imagine just writing any text prompt and Invideo makes a full script, adds music, AI generated or stock footage, transitions, captions, and even speaks it in your voice. Even crazier, it can automatically be translated into these 10 languages so you can post it across social media. I partnered with Invideo to show you how to use it step by step. So by the end of this video, you're an Invideo AI expert. Step number 1, go to ai.invideo.io that you can find in the link in the description. As you can see, you can join with Google or Apple. Now we're on the inside and you can start typing a prompt. But if you want additional language features and additional models, just go to the top right, click on your profile picture, and then find the settings. Here you can see the beta features to get early access to experimental. Let's toggle this one on. Now we can just go back again, refresh the page, and you'll find all of the different models here for you to use. Remember that V3.0 will use generative AI media with new voices, plugins, and more. If you want to use stock footage and 55 languages, better voices, and longer prompts, check out the other video I made on Invideo if you want more details on that. Today, we're gonna do all about AI generation. Now let's start writing a prompt. Remember, the more specific you are, the better the result. Are you making it for YouTube or Instagram, horizontal or vertical aspect ratio, British or American voiceover? What type of music and language do you want, and how long should it be? An easy way to customize is by using the workflows and plugins that you can find at the bottom. When I click it, it opens all of these different types of workflows to make it a lot easier for you. So if you want to make a TikTok shop video, they have it there. What about animated ads? Options for when you have a script already, for short, long videos, and even faceless videos. I want to show you a fancy feature called Clone Your Voice. If I go to the top left and I click on Voices, as you can see, you can create a digital clone of your voice by uploading your voice recording here. This needs to be at least 30 seconds. You have to mention I give Invideo AI permission to use my voice in this workspace, pause between sentences like you normally would, and use high quality recording equipment. But this also works on your phone. I'm gonna upload a file right now. Make sure to tick off all these boxes. Click on my sample looks good. It's gonna analyze that you said that I'm giving permission to Invideo, and I'm gonna click on done. Now, all we need to do is click on use, and you can see that we get this prompt here that indicates that this is the exact voice that we want to use. And then I'm gonna write a prompt of what the video is going to be about. For example, make a YouTube short about the top 5 things to do in Bangkok, Thailand with a funny tone, adventure music, and I'll add to make the duration around 60 seconds. But I want to be kind of cheeky with it, so instead of just doing a travel top 5, let's do a travel top 5 as a tech reviewer and click on generate a video. And then it's going to ask me for a couple more options. First, stock media or generative media. I'm going to use generative media for this one. Visual style, we can choose between realistic, animation, or anime. Let's try realistic for this one. For audience, I want to target adventure seekers, and platform, let's keep it on YouTube Shorts. Then, I'm going to click on continue. And here is the first result that we got. Andy here. And today we're doing a quick unboxing of Bangkok's top experiences. First up, the Grand Palace. It's like the iPhone Pro Max of landmarks. Massive, shiny, and impossible to ignore. The iPhone Pro Max of landmarks? Finally, don't sleep on the street food. It's a flavor explosion that'll make your taste buds feel like they've just gotten a major software update. That's just incredible. So this video includes music, transitions, captions, my cloned voice. And if you don't like the first version, you can always go to the bottom left-hand corner, click on versions, view the prompt, and here you can just generate the exact same once again to make the second version. I quite like this one, so I'm just going to edit it with natural language. For example, I have the text in the middle of the screen, and if I'm just gonna edit, I'm gonna write, make the cap captions appear at the bottom instead of the center. Click on generate. As you can see, it just edited it, and now the captions are on the bottom. But say you want any of the 55 different languages that you can translate your video into. I'll just write translate this video into Danish, generate, and just like that.
Er som å spille Asphalt 9, men med ægte trafik og tuting.
It's in Danish. There's a lot more you can edit with natural language, but if you want to change the script or the media inside, we can click on the edit button. In the top, you'll see all the footage that we have in this video. And if we click on script, you can see the entire script and how long that will be matched with a generated media. If you want to change anything, for example, this one says first, and if you want that in number format, we could say nummer 1, Grand Palace. Then we could do number 2 and so forth. This will make sure that the script is exactly how you want it. I'll click on save changes and we'll immediately see it in the video. But I'm also going to edit the media that we have. For example, this one, I want a better video of the Grand Palace. So I'm going to click on it. I can choose between uploaded media, stock media, and generative media. For this, I want to show you the examples of stock media that we can get from iStock, Storyblocks, and other footage directories. I'll search for Grand Palace, and here we find a beautiful iStock video that we can use. I'll just click on replace and it's now updated. Once you're satisfied, you can download the video. For the free tier, it gives you stock watermarks, and you do need a premium plan to have no watermarks. It will cost a lot more to buy them from different sites. So I think that's a pretty good deal. We have to select the Invideo AI branding, where I'm going to click on none, and the resolution I'll select 1080p and click on continue. We now have the beautiful video downloaded to my computer in Danish, ready to post on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and even Facebook. It's also worth to mention that Invideo AI has a phone app, so you can do all of this on your phone. So as you can see, you can do most of what I did in this video on the free plan, except you get no generative credits. And that's why we need to step into the more expensive plans, where you can choose one of the plans. In addition, you can add these add-ons. So if you want more generative credits, you can increase that. And an AI boost pack with 50 AI minutes and 80 iStock, you can also add that as more packages to your plan. By upgrading, you also get access to the AI voice clones. And by going up in the tiers, you get more AI minutes and more generative credit. And if you want to purchase an add-on on the generative plan, you get 15 generative credits for a lot less than what you pay on the other plan. So go to Invideo AI by clicking the link in the description down below. Click the video on the screen next, and happy creating